Alright guys, this is looking pretty good to the upside. We have a bunch of calls coming in and then puts are selling off. The only thing I am concerned about
Net
is the
premiums
near
for
term.
market calls
Oh,
just got positive for the day. That is a bullish
okay,
sign.
we need to turn that off. The only thing I was concerned about was the near term flow, but it looks like it's picking up quite a bit. So I will probably be entering some longs here. Once this convergence flips, I feel like it might be a good entry here. So let me find some contracts here. I'm gonna get into some ES longs and then I'm gonna get into some SPY calls too. So maybe let's grab some 443s or some 442s for tomorrow. Oh my goodness, SPY is running. Let me see if we can alert this here. Yeah, come back down to daddy. Here we go. 92. Let's see if we can get filled at 92. Okay, this is looking really good. Let me enter some futures longs here.
Order filled.
Okay, we got filled there. Let's see if we can have nice momentum back up to 441. That would be so nice. There we go, up a point and a half on futures here. Let's try to get like at least 5 points. I'm looking for at least 10% in my SPY calls and then at like 5 points or so on futures. We're up about 2 points. 2 points in futures. And then we're up 8% on calls right now. On almost 10%. There we go. Puts are selling off here, so I might hold this. I'm basically at break even on my futures trade back. What the heck? Jeez, calls are ripping right now. Alright, let's see. Alright, we're back green on the ES long, just barely though. 2 ticks. I want to see 441 retest on SPY. That would give us at least 5 points, I think. There we go. Really nice pump up off that 440 level. Calls are freaking going nuclear right now. Alright guys, we're back up 2 points on ES. This is taking quite a bit of time. Alright, let's see here. Alright, we're up 3 points now in ES, a little bit more. That's a nice push back up there. There's 11% on SPY calls. I'd love to see a push back above 440.50 in SPY. And then go towards 441. There's the push up. Come on. I would love to see 15%, 20%. There we go. That's what we'd like to see, boys and girls. 15%, baby. And we're up 250 bucks on our futures trade. Let's freaking go. That's what we like to see, boys and girls. $250 profit's pretty decent, so I'll probably get out of that one around there. We're only a point away.
Order filled.
There it is, boys and girls. Easy as that. Let me sell some SPY calls off. Cubs in the chat. There it is. Let's freaking go, bro. Man, I should have held my yes there, but that's alright. She's still got that juice. I'm staying in these calls most likely. There's two reasons why I got into this trade. When you see large divergence between calls and puts like this, it's ideally going to go in your favor. 9 times out of 10, I've seen it. Once in a blue moon, it doesn't happen when it doesn't go in your favor. But when there's a large divergence between calls and puts on this green and red line, that's when you want to get in. And then this convergence bar shows the strength between price action and flow. So if these two coincide with one another and you get in on these flips, you can catch a really nice trade. So see how this one down here, this little bar flipped, and then we had a nice pump up here.